Okay, ito na, sir. Susunod kay Thea. Isang babe na lang po ang mag-move on. At siya ay si babe number 5, AC Lopez! Congratulations then, AC, I'll see you again on the fashion show and all the grand finals. Okay, eto na. Sa mga honks naman, sasama kay Thea at kay ACIC, honk number 6, Anton Montemor. Other honks, kindly stay put. Hindi na po katapos. Bata kasi mong katabi ang laki ko. Kasama ni Anton sa Grand Finals. Hawks, isa na lang ang tatawagin ko. Kung hindi, congratulations still. Sali na sali. At syempre, build more confidence. At siya ay si Hawk number 5, Kevin Barrera. Congratulations to the other Hawks as well, brother. Congrats. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Good luck sa mga watch mo, bro. Congratulations. Sali na ulit. This has been your hottest show in the Metro, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Isaac. I'll see you guys next week for the last elimination round. This is Summer Body Splits Year 15.